I'm going to be making cream cheese Danish pastry with berries and lemon glaze. So let's begin. So I'm going to start off with the cream cheese filling. So for this I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg yolk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 7 ounces of cream cheese, going to now whisk this up. I'm going to now put this filling on the side. So I have some puff pastry here, so I'm going to just cut this in strips. So I'm going to grab 2 strips and join them together like this. Just press down. Then I'm going to make a center and then twist the pastry. Carry on twisting until you get a swirly looking pastry. I'm going to join this up. So I have a grease proof paper here. I'm going to put this in this and I'm going to make the next one. So my pastries are now ready. I'm going to now just fill them up with the filling. Just going to put some in the center. Now I'm going to make an egg wash. So I have 1 egg and I'm going to add just some water. Just going to whisk this. I'm just going to brush this on the pastry around the sides. So as you can see, I'm just going to brush around the sides. This gives it a golden look. So I'm going to now add my berries. I've got some raspberries and some blueberries. Just going to add just one each. So I'm going to now pop these in the oven on a gas mark 5 for 25 minutes. So while that's in the oven, I'm going to make my lemon drizzle. So I have here 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon juice and some water. Just going to mix this so it becomes a paste. This is now ready, so I'm just going to pop this on the side until the pastries have cooled down. Now cooled down and are ready. I'm going to now just drizzle the icing. Our finished cream cheese danishes. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.